guys, this is part 2 of our Squarespace monetization series, and in my last video, I covered 5 different ways that you can monetize your Squarespace website. So things like digital products, membership communities, online courses. So if you haven't watched that video yet, definitely check it out first. But today I'm going to show you how to actually set everything up on your website step by step. Now, Squarespace does have some built-in e-commerce and membership features that you can use, but they are pretty limited when it comes to flexibility. So we do see a lot of Squarespace users start with those native features, and then once they play around with them for a little bit, they end up switching to MemberSpace so they can get access to more features and flexibility and be able to build their business the way that they want. So MemberSpace basically just layers right on top of your Squarespace website and gives you a lot more powerful membership features. You can do things like protect any page, upload any kind of exclusive content or resource for your community, like videos or online courses. And you can organize everything into spaces, folders, and nested folders the way that you want. So I'm going to show you guys how it works next. Okay, so for this example, I built a really simple Squarespace website for an online community called Next Step Marketing. And basically, this is a community for marketing professionals that want help with things like social media and marketing strategy. So the first thing that I did off camera was I installed MemberSpace on the website. It took just about 30 seconds, and then it added this members button in the bottom right corner. So what this is going to do is if my members or customers click on this button, it's going to allow them to log in or sign up for access to the exclusive content that I'm going to sell. All right, I've got my new MemberSpace account set up and installed on my Squarespace website. Now I'm going to start adding my exclusive content and resources directly to my MemberSpace account. So I'll go over here to spaces and click add a space. And then I'm going to create a different space for each type of content that I want to offer. But the first one I'm going to create is a welcome space to add some information for my members about what to do with the content that I'm going to add. So we'll just call this welcome. And then I'll add a new article. And this is just kind of like a post where you can share any type of written content that you want. So I'll go ahead and do that and just say, start here. Okay, so now when people join the community, they'll know where to start and they'll have some direction on what to do with the content that I'm going to add. So the next space is going to be a link to a private community for this membership. So we'll say private community, and then I'm going to add a link to it because it's a community that lives on a Facebook group. So we'll say join our. Drag that down just so people know to go to the welcome space first. And then next I'm going to add monthly strategy calls for all of the members. Let's see. And then similar to the private community, I'll add a link for each one of the calls. So it'll be on Zoom. So we'll say March call. And add now. And then something that I could do after this call wraps up is add I could go to add content and then add video or add file to upload a recording of the call so that people who missed it or want to reference back to it can go see that in this monthly strategy calls space as well. And then lastly, I'm going to add an online course to the space. And the nice thing about MemberSpace is you can structure your online course however you want. So you could do just a bunch of lessons, you can do modules with lessons within those, and you can add and organize all of your supplemental course materials like PDF downloads and links to different things really easily. And you can do that by adding, by adding folders. So maybe we say this is module 1, and then we add that folder. And then within module 1, we add, maybe we want to add nested folders for each of our lessons. So we'll say lesson 1, So you can see here with the breadcrumbs, online course, module, we're in lesson 1. And now I can start adding my content for lesson 1. Maybe it's a YouTube video. You could upload like your thumbnail that you've created for the video as the cover image or whatever you want to do there. Then I'll click add now. And maybe for lesson 1, I also have like a guide or something that I want to add as a supplemental material for the course. So I would go to add file, and then we'll say lesson 1, or maybe it's a workbook for each lesson, something like that. And then you'd upload that file directly right here. Okay, so we've added that. So now you can see we've got both the lesson video and the lesson workbook within this folder. And then if I go back to module 1, I can start adding the various other lessons here and all of their content within those nested folders. So great way to keep things organized if you're doing an online course or something else that has like a lot of content that needs to be organized. I'm going to go ahead and pause on adding more content for the sake of this example, but I can always go back and add as much content as I want, add cover images to make it look pretty and clean. But just to show you guys how to set up pricing plans, I'm going to go over here to pricing, create pricing plan. And then the first thing you'll have to do is connect to a Stripe account really quick, because that's the payment processor that MemberSpace uses to accept payments on your website. All right, now that I've got Stripe connected, I'm going to set up my pricing plan. So I'm just going to go with 2 plans, a paid plan and a free plan. So for the free one, we'll call that free plan. And then people will just get access to the private community, but not the other perks and benefits, so that I can kind of upsell those free members if I want them to join the paid community. So we'll say create this plan, and then I will create another one called paid plan, and that will be a reoccurring payment, a monthly payment for, we'll say, $25 once a month. And then people get access to all of the spaces. So they get access to that private Facebook community, all of the monthly strategy calls and recordings, and then the online course. So now I'll click create this plan. And the last thing that I really need to do is add a plans link to my Squarespace website so that people have a way to sign up for whichever plan they want. So I'm going to click this all plans link, copy, go back to the Squarespace website. Okay, now I'm going to edit it. I have this join now call to action button. So I'm going to add that all plans link to this button right here. All right, so now when I click that link, it opens up a sign up form, the same one that is on that members button that I showed at the beginning of the video. So people can sign up and pay for access to my exclusive resources. So I'm just going to quickly run through this sign up form and the payment form to show you what it looks like when someone signs up. So this is how the payment form looks, and I'll go ahead and input credit card information for that. All right, thank you for joining. Click continue, and now I can see all of the spaces that I added when I was setting up all of my content. So this welcome space, start here. We see that message that I wrote for new members to know what to do next. So browse through all of this content. You can click on this and go to the Facebook group, click on this and have the link to the Zoom call. And then for the online course, of course, this isn't done, but you can see module 1, lesson 1, and all of the content within that. And that's it. You guys can use that same exact process for monetizing any type of exclusive content or resource on your Squarespace website and get access to tons of helpful features and flexibility through MemberSpace. So if you guys have any questions or want some feedback on your own idea, let us know in the comments. We would love to help. Thanks for watching.